Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making a Rita recipe that is perfect for this time of year. Verde chili is going to warm you from the inside out. It's packed full of flavor and super easy to make. So let's go ahead and get started. So this recipe is really easy and versatile, and the first thing that you can do is decide whether you'd like to use ground pork or ground chicken. I'm going to use ground chicken for today, and it was delicious and easy. It calls for a half a pound of ground chicken, but I went ahead and used a full pound. Just put it straight into a large pot over medium heat on the stove, cooked it up till it was cooked all the way through, and I used a little meat chopper to chop it into smaller pieces and cook this for about 5 minutes. While that was cooking on the stove, I went ahead and chopped half of an onion and minced 3 garlic cloves. By this point, your meat should be cooked almost completely through, and I went ahead and added the onion straight in and let that cook together for a couple more minutes. The next thing is where all of the flavor comes from. You're gonna add in 1 jar of Verde salsa. It's gonna be about 12 to 15 ounces, just depending on the jar and the brand. It doesn't matter, use your favorite brand. Next, you're gonna add 1 15-ounce can of cannelli white beans that have been drained, and then 32 ounces of chicken broth. Stir that all together and then turn the heat to medium-low, and we're gonna bring this up to a simmer and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that time is up, we're gonna add in the 3 cloves of garlic that we minced earlier, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Stir that all together, let it simmer for a couple minutes longer, and then it is ready to eat. It's quick, it's easy, and it is loaded with flavor. It's so delicious. Serve this up in a big bowl with some sour cream and cheese and warm, crusty sourdough bread. Whatever your favorite chili toppings are, load it on up. This is a great recipe for weeknight dinners for your family because it's so quick and easy to make, easy to double. It's full of flavor. I know everyone is going to love it. For the full recipe, head on over to KentuckyLiving.com. Thanks so much for joining me today, and until next month, I will talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.